Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to change the blades in a SCAG Cheetah. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This mower includes an electric PTO clutch to engage the blades. For safety, you may begin this procedure by disconnecting the negative cable from the battery and disconnecting the spark plug wire from the spark plug. As seen, a wooden block was set at the bottom of the deck to hold the blade in place. The 61-inch deck on the SCAG Cheetah is unique from other decks on other lawnmowers in that to remove the blade, you start by removing the bolt from the pulley at the top of the deck. The fastener at the bolt at the top of the pulley was first removed with a breaker bar, then a socket and ratchet. This process was then repeated for the two other blades on the deck. The vehicle brake and woodblock on the rear tire was set to prevent the vehicle from moving. Jack and jack stands were then used to lift the deck up to allow access to the bolts holding the blades to be removed. WD-40 was helped to loosen the hardware that did not fall on its own. Some of the hardware required additional effort to separate the individual pieces. With the blades removed, we can compare the old with the new. Aside from the damage mentioned, the old blades had normal wear and a few nicks at the cutting edge. Mulching style blades were selected with consideration to terrain that this mower operates at. The hardware pieces were installed in addition to new blades onto the bolt in preparation for reinstallation. The bolt was set into position from the bottom of the mower deck. Once in position at the top of the pulley, the fastener was then reattached, beginning with hand tightening. A socket and ratchet were then used to continue the process of tightening the fastener. A torque wrench was then used to conclude the process of tightening the fastener. This process was then repeated for the two other blades on the deck. The hardware pieces were installed in addition to new blades onto the bolt in preparation for reinstallation. The bolt was set into position from the bottom of the mower deck. Once in position at the top of the pulley, the fastener was then reattached, beginning with hand tightening. A torque wrench was then used to conclude the process of tightening the fastener. The hardware pieces were installed in addition to new blades onto the bolt in preparation for reinstallation. The bolt was set into position from the bottom of the mower deck. Once in position at the top of the pulley, the fastener was then reattached, beginning with hand tightening. A torque wrench was then used to conclude the process of tightening the fastener. The deck pulley cover was then reinstalled. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.